right, guys, welcome back. Well, this is a rollout like you've never seen it, trust me. So for this Friday's edition of Rollout, the crew members from each team will get a minute to perform a song surrounding the theme. The theme is Jamaica is el número uno, number one. So here's how the points will be awarded. First place, 10 points. Second place, 6 points. And third place, 2 dege points alone. All right? And we have Bran, who's going to be coming in as a guest performer. Performers, are you ready? All right, so first up we have Lady K. Please make her welcome. Lady K, the floor is yours.
Run the track. Miss Abel, you don't know your chill girls them well. Debbie, you're always ready. Lady K in the place. Where we say, Jamaica they on top. You know we not stop. We say Jamaica they on top. You know we not stop. When we step on the track, you know we burn up that. We lick about with all our even rare that. Hey, hey. Where we say Jamaica on top, you know we not stop. We say Jamaica on top, you know we not stop. We rich culture and we music. You don't know Jamaica are the lick. Jamaica on top, you know we not stop. We say Jamaica on top, you know we not stop. Beautiful beaches, rich landscape. Jamaica on top, you know we not stop. Follow me now. Jamaica, we say we great. Hey, Jamaica, we say we great. Jamaica on top, you know we not stop. Follow me now. Wheel and pull up.
K-An, a.k.a. Lady K, thank you for your performance. She makes way right now for Alicia Gordon, a.k.a. Ollie G.
Yeah. Woo. One Ollie G and a 2 nor 3. I'm not ask you that. Yes, I am a Jamaican. If you well want to know, we got it very lock. We have things lock and we not take the track. If you well want to know, me are a Jamaican. And a 1, 2, 3 nor that. If you want to know, you better check real one. We are number one and we not take no talk. If you well want to know, we are a Jamaican. And a black, green and gold. Black, green and gold. Black, green and gold. Now say Jamaica just come off of the toll and me say black, green and gold. Black, green and gold. Black, green and gold. Now say Jamaica just come off of the tour when we touch on the island.
Thank you. Thank you, Ollie G. Thank you. Pop cover in the audience. Listen, we're asking the audience to remain quiet. Audience, order. Little order, please.
Level me.
Sir, hold on. You have not been introduced yet. Calm down. Calm down. God have mercy. Thank you so much to Ollie G. Next up, we have the gentleman called?
The president in the resident. Wanna ready? Yeah. That one I name Jamaica. No, a cappella. We do it better. That one I name Jamaica on top from, I know just know, way back. Remember man like Herb McKinley, Arthur Wint, and Merlin Atty. Everybody knows say she had it done. Them say Kishian get the silver, but uno have to know this fact. Him a silly fastest man pan the track. Everybody knows say when we straight through the disco, everybody stop. All know them can't find where the discos drop. Jamaica pan top. Everybody knows say Jamaica pan top. Jamaica pan top.
Oh, so he's done. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Colson. And at this time, while we calibrate the scores, we have a guest performance from
Bizzle.
Bizzle. Bizzle, you have music? Okay.
All right. We're ready? Lyrical genius, lyrically skill. Do this every day, cause you know say me have to slay them pan the rhythm. Everything drop, Jamaica on top, huh? We have lyrics for days, make them amazed. Throw them so far that them looking at the days. Hey, that one name lyrics. Hear me now, jump off. Alright, I'm catching back. Last Olympics, we had Corona. This time around, we have Roger Stone. Like a piece of curry. Level me. Like a piece of curry. And we have the ginger. This time around, we have the one ginger. Look out, mommy, you see a boy on the telly. Lyrics so fast like the one named Shelly. Level me. Aye.
Lady K, wait. We thank, what's his name? Bizzle? What is his name? The guest performer. What's his name? Bizzle. We thank Bizzle for his guest appearance. And ladies and gentlemen, after much deliberation, my fellow judge, the great Nevs Kevs, and I have decided that the winner is
Lady K.
And in second place,
Me not leave out the president. Me not leave out the president. Second place is a tie.
second place is that. Second place is that tie like Rod Bell?
Yeah, they must share the silver medal.
All right, no problem. So the second place is Oli G and the president. Which means that the third place is Bizzle. We thank you all for entering. Thank you so much. We'll give you a prize after the break. Stay with us. Soon come back.
Tug of war.